Hey, good afternoon, everybody. This is Andy Cromer, Starfish Group Properties, over at my new flip property here in Fort Worth. Crew's doing a fantastic job. Already got paint done, demo done, cabinets are going in. So let me give you a little walk around in this property. This is over off of 20 and McCart, over near West Claiborne. So this is 4,000 Horizon Place, little 3-2 that we're doing a flip on right now. So let me give you a quick little tour. So as you come in, got a nice big family room right here. Walk in, say hey everybody. I called them during lunchtime today. You see a wide open, nice living room, goes into the kitchen, new cabinets being installed. We'll have a new set of French doors here, new windows coming in the next week or so. You can see a fantastic job these guys are doing. They've already got everything opened up. Got it primed, got the ceilings primed, got the paint on. So you see just huge kitchen, extra cabinets, laundry room over there, little pantry. We'll have new appliances soon. Have granite countertops and backsplash going. Let me show you the bedrooms real quick. So we modified the fireplace, took off an old facade off of that. But this is going to have 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, all new flooring going in, new HVAC will be going in this week, new windows going in soon. So this is the master. See, really deep. I think this is 18 feet deep for a master, so a pretty good sized master. The walk-in closet. See, the bathroom reading be done. Heavy paint fumes today, so we're redoing the master shower. So all that work is being done, redoing the bathrooms. Got a little hall bath that we're going to be redoing. And then guest bedroom and a guest bedroom. So altogether 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. If you know anybody in Fort Worth looking for a property, this is a 3 bedroom, 2 bath, about 1,400 square feet. It'll be hitting the market in about 2 weeks. It's 4,000 Horizon Place, and the asking price is probably going to be right around $195,000. So good affordable house, great location, easy to get to anywhere in Fort Worth with this property. But God bless you. Have a great Friday. Andy Cromer, Starfish Group Property. Check us out on Facebook for properties that we have coming soon. But this is going to be a 3 bedroom, 2 bath flip project that we're doing. It'll be on the market here at the end of August. Have a good day.